Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying both devices. Ensure the HyperX Cloud Alpha is fitted with the 3.5mm TRRS cable, and the phone either has a headphone jack or the correct adapter. Once done, plug the cable firmly into the headset and the phone port. You should feel a click. Make sure Bluetooth is turned off so the phone routes audio over the wired connection. This avoids automatic wireless audio switching and ensures mic signal is detected during the next steps. With the cable attached, confirm the plug is fully seated. A partial connection can yield one-side audio. Next, open the phone's sound or input settings. Some phones show a wired headset icon or let you choose microphone input. Play a track to verify stereo output, then record a short voice memo to confirm the inline mic works. If the phone shows only speaker output, unplug and reinsert the jack. Then retry the settings to force recognition of the finish by fine-tuning volume levels on the phone and using the headset's inline controls to set comfortable levels. Make sure the app you use has microphone permission. If the mic still fails, swap in a known good TRRS adapter or test the headset on another phone to isolate the issue. Also update your phone OS and restart it to clear possible driver glitches. Key troubleshooting tip. A different adapter often resolves incompatibility between CTIA versus OMT wiring standards that block mic signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.